So as you can see here, basically, I have two roosters, and they're not now. They are just trash talking together. So now they really want to knock out for the girls. So let's go and see the knockout. As you can see, he's pretty much trash talking to the other one. Fight! As you can see, the orange one is so as you can see, the orange one wants the chickens, but the black one, he was the father of them all. Dun, 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 dun. As you can see, the black one's really determined to win the chickens. But the orange one, the new one, the young one, is preferred by the chickens, as the black one is very old. But the old one wants to take them back, so he's willing to fight for the chicks. Oh, he's gonna go down. Oh, down. Now they're just thinking to their heads, but no. Only one peacock and only one rooster are gonna survive here. So we're gonna fight till death. As you can see, the black one's really pissed off. I think that the argument's over. Or is it? He's gonna go behind. He's gonna go from behind the tree and attack the other one like hellfire. Ooh! Oh damn! Oh damn! He went from the tree and attacked him. Yeah, I think that's the end of the fight.